Hey guys, it's TNT, Thomas and Terry. We're out here in the Forest River Expo here, and of course we're at another Ibex unit here. So I'm from the Utah location, Thomas.
Yeah, I'm from the South Carolina location, and we just actually started carrying the Ibex.
Very excited. The Ibex is a cool option. We've got lots of videos coming up on these guys. Lots of neat floor plans. The trailer we're in front of right now is the 19QRB. It's just a little over 25 feet on length. Neat thing about these Ibexes, actually it's about 24 foot too. Neat thing on the Ibexes is they've got a sticker giving you the exact dry weight and the length of the trailer tip to tip. So it's very cool. Overall weight on this one is right at 4488 on the dry weight. So easily towable by most vehicles. Any of the trucks out there, some of the compact trucks like the Rangers and the Toyota Tacomas, they can actually pull these as well.
Yeah, hey, that's great information there, Terry. Yeah, these Ibexes are great units. They come with a lot of awesome features on them. And just for the price point and the quality that you get on these Ibexes, it's just amazing. Let's take a look at some of these features you get. So right on the outside here, Terry, one of my favorite things is you got this outdoor kitchen. We're right underneath the awning.
It's beautiful.
Rainy day, sunny, hot day, hey, we're gonna be good because we're covered right under that awning. You have your table right beside it for any kind of prep space you may need. And you do have your hot and cold outdoor shower out here, or spray port, just used for whatever you may need. If your kids get dirty, your dogs get dirty, or you just need to spray off your steps.
Yep, that's exactly right. Speaking of the steps, they've got the nice fold-up steps there, and that's a good point to point out there. That can be easily rinsed off before you flip that up inside, get all the mud and everything off the steps over here. Something else that the Ibex has come standard with is the TPMS monitoring system. So you got the tire pressure monitoring system. It's all now downloadable app on your phone, which is cool. It used to be a whole different device you had to haul around with you. Now you got that app that you can monitor all that. It's actually wrapped around the rim. It's not just the cheap valve stem option, so it's going to be more accurate in letting you know what's happening with your tires going down the road. So that's a very cool feature on there. Of course, you've got the Westlake tires, great trailer tire that's used to be more typical on a lot of trailers. A lot of the lines that went cheaper and got a bunch of knockoff tires because they're just cost less. Westlake are nice, durable tires, reliable. They've got a good reputation. And of course, right down below here is your beast mode Curt suspension system down here. Fully independent suspension system. That is great for our new roamers that are getting into the market. So that's of course why we're here with Ibex. We wanted to offer more options for more buyers at different price points, and this is one of those trailers that's going to allow some of the people that haven't been able to be a roamer yet to come into the ROA family and to get that great service and experience. This is what Ibex is allowing us to do there. So Thomas, what else you got on this?
Yeah, Terry, that's so awesome you bring that up. This is a great entry-level off-road camper for you guys that wants to become roamers, but you don't want to spend a ton of money on a camper. Maybe you've never had a camper before. And with that Curt suspension Terry was talking about, that's actually in with the Black Canyon Beast Mode package, which is how the majority of our Ibexes will come. With that, you're going to have your 400 watts of solar. You're going to have a 2,000 watt inverter that's going to run all your outlets. All your outlets are wired up to that inverter. You're going to have a freshwater filter system, and you're going to have your MaxxAir vent covers on your roof. So again, just a great overall package, great entry level, great price point. This trailer is really just an awesome trailer.
Yeah, definitely. As you know, we do different things at ROAs than anybody else. So that's a benefit for shopping with us. As always, we have options on power, on how you might want to outfit. If that's not your cup of tea and you want to go to a 12 volt system, we can upgrade you in so many different ways on this trailer if you want to. So Thomas, you want to go inside? And
yeah, let's go ahead and head on inside. Let's check out this floor plan. So inside of this floor plan, as you see up front, you do have your nice queen size bed, plenty of sleeping area. You do have all of your overhead cabinetries very easily accessible. You have your closets on the side to hang any shirts or clothes that you might need. You do have outlets on both sides of the beds. You have more drawers underneath the bed, plenty of storage there for you for all of your clothing. Right next to me here, we do have our theater seating. Okay, these are going to recline out, and you have your nice tray tables here so you can eat your dinner, place your drinks on it. Also with the center console folded down here, you can do that as well. And back here you do have your 12 volt fridge, so you can have this on going down the road. You can keep your drinks and your food all nice and cold for you. So we'll head to the back here.
Hey, give me a minute.
Oh, my bad. I'm sorry.
Hey guys, check this spacious bathroom back here. So this is obviously a rear bath, so it's taking up the whole width of the back end of the trailer here. Check out the porcelain toilet that you see in all the Ibexes. Back here as well, you've got a whole nother closet space and shelving over here with some additional storage down below here. So just again, Ibexes are really doing a great job with extra storage. And then come on into the shower again here. 6'3.5". I fit in the shower, guys. That is spacious. So sink over here. You've got your medicine cabinet right here, toothbrush holder that you'll see in the other models as well. So very nice little convenient storage area there. And we're gonna come on out. So guys, as we swing back around here, remember the fridge was right over here, and now we're swinging back around to the kitchen area. So you've got your, again, Ibexes have got that air fryer, convection microwave. You've got your cast iron, 2-burner cooktop here as well. And then there's that cutting board that can set over into the sink area. You've got your waterfall faucet with the spray hose and that stainless steel sink. That's such a beautiful sink there. And then you have that cup rinser, and then there is your, you can charge your phone on top of this whenever it's down. You've got your C port and your regular USB port and plugins over here. And then there is your additional counter that flips up and down, so you can get that out of the way when you're not using it. And then you got that full bank of drawers down here. So lots of storage in this unit. Beautiful rig, nicely lit up, plenty of lighting in here. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Come on outside here. Hey guys, that was our walk around on the 19QRB. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thomas, what does this trailer mean for our new buyers?
Yeah, great question. So yeah, if you're looking to join in the roamer community, this is a great, again, entry-level travel trailer for the off-road world. Just an affordable price point for you guys that just wants to join this roamer community. We like to make sure people can go out, go camp, make some awesome memories. And Terry, where can we find these at?
Yeah, so right now they've got it at the South Carolina location, where we've got it also at the Colorado location and in Utah location. So we're gonna have options wherever you go on the Ibex lineup. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to subscribe below and like the video. And of course, we have tons more content. Check out our website, guys. Thank you.